Local news for Wednesday the 14th of June. A volunteering expo is to be held this weekend at the Carterton Event Centre. The expo is in request from people of Carterton to find out about opportunities to volunteer in the area and wider Wairarapa communities. The expo is aimed at local people and organisations and will be opened with a short address by Scott Miller, Chief Executive of Volunteering New Zealand. Displays and volunteers will be on hand to discuss their various organisations, with the event kicking off at 2 p.m. Entries are now open for the 2017 New Zealand Bakery Supreme Pie Awards, but who will be crowned winner in New Zealand's largest food competition is, well, Pie in the Sky. The winning pie will earn its bakery stardom and sales beyond belief, and a cheque for $7,500 and $1,000 for all Gold Award winners as well, which will be presented at a gala dinner on the 1st of August. Wairarapa has seen success in the past, particularly with Clearville Bakery, winning the Supreme Award in 2014 for their lamb cutlet and kumara mash. And in sport, just 2 games of college rugby on tonight at Trust House Memorial Park. At 4:45, Macquarie College First 15 take on the Barbarians, and Wairarapa Gold take on the Kinadui First 15. For local news and sport, I'm Brent Gare.